The Deceitful Bird. There lived a flock of birds who would find grain for all to share. One of the birds found carts loaded with grain. As the carts passed, grain fell on the road. The selfish bird did not tell anyone. Every day he would fly to the road to eat his fill. One day, the kingbird followed him and saw that he had cheated the others. The greedy bird was on the road eating and did not see a cart coming towards him. When he did see it, it was too late, and the cart ran over him. What makes you greedy? Is it candies or ice cream or something else? Leave your comment.